right, you guys. We're not allowed to use these anymore at the grocery store, but we still have a great use for them. It's the one thing that works like a juggling scarf. All right, it's really great if you have different colors. It's a little bit bulky to have a whole bag and kind of weird. So I have developed a way to turn one bag into 2 scarves or a decoratable scarf. So all you need is a bag and a pair of scissors. Now, what you want to do first is take this bag and make it nice and straight, like it was when it first got unpacked, when it was first born as a brand new baby plastic bag, fresh off the presses. I don't know where they come from. I'm going to turn it around. We're not going to advertise for anybody. They're not paying us. You want to take it and you want to flatten it out as best as possible. Maybe you'll use a table. I'm going to use me. All right. Once you get it flat and it's back to its little tank top shape, you're going to take your scissors. All right. There's a seam right here. And you want to cut that off like this. All right. Now, you don't want to go underneath and cut like this, because then you're going to still have this bunchy part left, okay? So you just want to come right up here off the top, and there it is. Now you have, well, still a tank top. All right, next, turn it over, and there's a seam here. Now again, especially if you're a younger person, you might want to lie this down on the floor. Be careful of the carpet, all right? Or put it on a table, but I'm going to do it standing up because this is my best angle. And you're going to cut the seam off the bottom of your scarf, of your bag. Oh, look, I'm advertising anyway. That's fine. All right? So we've cut that off. Now, get your fingers in there and open it up. All right? Make sure that the front is still the front. And you still have this nice tank top. Okay, we're not going to wear it as a tank top. All right? My head is cut off on this whole thing. That's fine. So here it is. All right? Now you have this nice flat side. Some of you might even have a seam. So again, if you lie it down, it's going to work a little better for you. But for me, for this, you're going to get this. You're going to go in here, and you're going to just cut right up that side. And can you guess what's going to happen next, you guys? What's your hypothesis? Yep. You're going to turn it over, or go to the other side, and do the same thing. All right? Now, you have 2 scarves. Now, if you want to experiment with it and try and cut off the little sticky outy bits, you can do that. I found I like it a little bit better with the sticky outy bit on it. It's not as pretty, but it's lofty. Now, I like this side because there is no advertising on it, and that means that I can decorate it, which I did with my white bag. All right? And which I did with my other white bag, but I didn't plan ahead. Now, here's the thing. The only thing that you can use to decorate your new scarf, I'm calling them a scarf because you're a star, and it's a scarf made out of stuff. So these are our juggling scarves, all right? The only thing you can decorate this with is a Sharpie or a permanent marker. You can't use regular coloring markers because they get all smudgy. And as you can see, where is it? I know there's some smudgies here. It's even smudgy when you use, there it is, a Sharpie if you don't give it time to dry. But once it dries, it's all super clean, and then you can take your new juggling scarves and you can juggle with them.